Hey y'all, my name is Deandra Bernardo and welcome back to another video. Today we are creating this beautiful Valentine's Day set. Shh! Moment of silence for the bling. Okay, now let's get into the video. I'm starting with a fresh set of gels, so this is my second set that I've done overall with this Beetles Gel X system, and this one feels so much more sturdy, and I feel like I did an overall better application, which I'm really happy about. So for this design, I'm painting the thumb, index, ring, and pinky fingers with the color 804 as a base, and this soft pink is so nice and flattering on every skin tone. I accidentally painted the middle finger. Oops, you want to leave that one clean. So I just wiped it off with a paper towel and we're back. Now I'm curing each nail. I have never been more humbled than applying this set though. When the ladies at the nail salon ever tell you, no, your finger is crooked, believe them. I had no idea my middle finger was this crooked until I started doing these nails. So for the next application, I will definitely adjust to give the appearance of a more straight finger. Now I'm going in with the second and the third coat. What are y'all's plans for Valentine's Day? Are y'all doing stuff today or did you celebrate this past weekend? I'm doing something this upcoming weekend, probably like a nice dinner, but I'm not really sure yet. Y'all notice I added that beautiful raspberry red on the middle finger? It's color 807 and I am obsessed. I end up using 2 coats of this. I really want to go to an indoor axe throwing place. Like, it seems kind of scary, but also so fun. Me, I want to do something romantic. Also me, I kind of want to go axe throwing. So we'll see. The first design is scattering gems across the nails. I do this for the pinky and the index fingers. I like to place the gems a little differently on each nail, but they all have 3 gems around the base, 3 gems near the tip of the nail, and 1 off center, giving me 7 gems on each nail. I really suggest if you're just starting out like me to get gems and rhinestones and everything else like that at your local beauty supply store. I bought these at my local beauty supply for $2.99 because I looked online and even Amazon has them for like $30 and up, which is kind of crazy, especially if you're like just trying it out. But I have these gems on my hands and my feet right now, and I am embodying luxury and abundance, and I'm completely living for it. So 10 out of 10 would recommend. Like, no one would treat me less than a queen with this set on. At this point, my phone died, so I finished the design on my right hand. Now we are moving on to the left. So after I place my gems, I put the top coat around the gems, not directly on top of them. I noticed when I put the top coat just covering all the gems, instead of a 3D effect, which I'm going for in this design, it will give you more of an encapsulated design. Next, I'm making a red French tip design with a red heart at the base of the nail. I do this on my ring finger and thumb. The pink base is so sheer I can still see my natural nails, and I used this for a guide when I made the French tip. I started off lightly with the design brush, and then I went in with the applicator that comes with the polish to fill in the French tip. And then I spent an eternity with a clean brush making the French tip as crisp as possible. When the French tip is where you want it to, cure that design, because if you mess up after all that time, you will want to cry. What I did was use a medium dotting tool, and I made 2 small dots next to each other. I connect them in a V, then thicken the lines, creating a heart shape. And again, if you make a mistake, go in with that clean brush and correct. And there is no shame in my game. I did make this heart a little off center and wiped it off completely to start over. It was so worth it because you see the design? Like, I don't even want to think about how much this set would be at a salon. You know the drill. We're curing that design to set it in place. Next, for the middle finger, our red nail, we are taking that same base color, 804, to make that big heart in the center of the nail. So dainty, so ethereal, and the red adds a boldness. Oh, I love it. Okay, so our last 2 nails, you know them, you'll love them. The gem design is going to be on the index finger. This style is so cute. I want to do a full set with just this design and maybe like a pop of color underneath, like a red bottom moment or a blue bottom if you want. Anything, it would be so cute. What do y'all think? I know it would be such a look. Remember to go around those gems with the top coat, not just over top. Finishing off, we have that thumb with the French tip and heart combo. I fill in that French tip, clean it up, and fill in the heart. Voila, you've got your masterpiece. Hello. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me show you a close-up of the nails. Ooh, they look so good. Ah. You're kidding. Like, wow. I did that. I really did. You gotta admit, come on. But yeah, I love them so much. I'm so excited for the upcoming designs that I have planned, but I love this. And honestly, you can do it anytime. Of course, like the red is a little Valentine's-y, but like most of the time when you do hearts, they're red. But you can literally do this for any occasion and like switch up the colors and everything. I really love it. But I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give me a big old thumbs up. Give me that like, comment, and subscribe. We are so close. Like so like beyond close. Like we're here close. I need 1 subscriber until we get to 100. Woo! And that's where I'll do my first giveaway. So if you want to be that 100 subscriber, 101, 102, 103, Come on. Come on. Welcome to the family. Come, 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 come. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.